looking good doesn't have to be time consuming. Comfort is important, but when your outfit lacks structure, it can bring your entire look down. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Upstyle with Shikha. I am Shikha, your personal stylist and image coach. I hope you guys are doing amazing and following the tips and tricks that I am sharing to make your everyday styling and dressing better. आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ to help women just like you जो बिजी तो होती हैं लेकिन फिर भी चाहती है कि वो हर दिन confident और put together दिखे without spending hours in front of the wardrobe. अगर आप working professional हो, you are juggling meetings, deadlines, home, and maybe even kids, dressing up might feel like the last thing on your list. But believe me, looking good doesn't have to be time consuming. It just needs a little strategy. So in today's video, I'm going to share 5 styling tips that are practical, time-saving and guaranteed way to make you look polished and professional every single day, even when you are running late. But before starting, do subscribe to my channel. This will mean the world to me. Now, let's move to tip number 1. Build a workwear capsule wardrobe. The biggest problem of every day. आज क्या पहनूं? That daily confusion steals your time and mood. Most women have a closet full of clothes, but still they feel they have nothing to wear because the pieces don't work well together. So, what's the solution? Instead of random shopping, create a capsule work wardrobe. 7 to 10 mix and match pieces that reflect your role and style. Pick neutral trousers, shirts, structured blazers, and smart dresses in colors and fits that flatter your body and reflect your personal style. जब आपके wardrobe में ऐसे timeless pieces होंगे, तो आपको रोज रोज सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा कि आज क्या पहना जाए. इससे ये फायदा होगा कि आपके पास हमेशा रेडी टू वेयर ऑप्शंस होंगे जो हर ओकेजन के लिए काम आएंगे, चाहे ऑफिस मीटिंग्स हो या कोई कैजुअल आउटिंग. न्यूट्रल्स एंड बेसिक पीसेस आपस में इजीली मिक्स एंड मैच हो जाते हैं और स्ट्रक्चर्ड पीस आपके ओवरऑल लुक को पॉलिश्ड और पुट टुगेदर बना देते हैं. दिस वार्डरोब नॉट ओनली सेव्स टाइम बट ऑल्सो बिल्ड्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन जिसमें आप हर दिन स्टाइलिश और कॉन्फिडेंट फील करते हैं बिना overthinking के. Let's take an example. Let me build you a capsule wardrobe right here. 1 blazer, 2 trousers, 3 shirts, and 1 dress, and 1 pair of smart shoes. This will give you 10 plus outfit combinations. Please check out the description box below for links for these items. Now, tip number 2. Stop ignoring your grooming. No matter how expensive your outfit is, messy hair, chipped nails, or creased clothes kill the whole vibe. Do keep a minimal grooming routine. Sleek ponytail or bun for bad hair days. Keep your nails trimmed or properly polished. And even if you don't paint your nails, don't keep them chipped. उससे पूरी outfit vibe kill हो जाती है. You can be without a nail paint. Even that is good than a chipped nail paint. Decide and iron your clothes the night before. This will save so much time in the morning. आपकी grooming ही आपकी polish दिखाती है. So focus on your hair, your nails, how you smell, keep a signature perfume. These small things are extremely important. Tip number 3, wear structured pieces. Baggy clothes may be super comfortable, but they often end up looking sloppy, shapeless, and even unprofessional, especially जब आप उनको regularly पहनने लग जाते हैं. Comfort is important, but when your outfit lacks structure, it can bring your entire look down. No matter how expensive or trendy the pieces are, even well-coordinated outfits can look really underwhelming if they don't have the right fit or shape. Structured pieces like tailored blazers, fitted trousers, or dresses with defined silhouettes help bring balance to your frame, highlight your best features, and instantly make you look more polished and put together without sacrificing any comfort. It's all about finding that sweet spot between ease and elegance. Even a basic white shirt with proper fit can look 10 times more powerful than a t-shirt with jeans in office. Let me give you a simple hack here. Add structure with one element like a blazer, a belt, or even a statement jewelry. For example, try a t-shirt, a blazer, and with jeans and accessorize with a watch, a bracelet, and this will give you a casual yet polished look. Tip number 4. Avoid over-accessorizing in office. Too many accessories can easily overwhelm your look and take away from the polished professional vibe you are aiming for. Instead of enhancing your outfit, they end up becoming a distraction. जब हर चीज like statement earrings, chunky necklace, stacked bangles और a bold belt सब एक साथ पहना जाता है तो आउटफिट का बैलेंस बिगड़ जाता है. It doesn't look very professional. Professional style thrives on simplicity and on intention. A few well chosen accessories like a classic watch, subtle studs with a structured handbag can elevate your look without overpowering it. Remember, the goal is to look confident and composed, not chaotic and overdone. Whenever you are in doubt, remember, less is more. Minimalism आज के टाइम का बेस्ट फैशन रूल है. Less is more, especially at work. You can remember this. Stick to 2:1 rule. If your outfit is simple, you can go with one or two bold accessories. And if your outfit is bold, like you're wearing some bold prints, go for minimal accessories like I have kept here. Tip number 5, and one of the most important yet easily overlooked: footwears. Scuffed flats, worn out sandals, sporty sneakers meant only for workouts, or heels you can barely walk in, all of these instantly pull down your entire look, no matter how nice the rest of your outfit is. Footwear might seem like a small detail, but it plays a huge role in how put together and polished you appear. जब आपके शूज अनटाइडी या अनकंफर्टेबल होते हैं तो कॉन्फिडेंस भी ऑटोमेटिकली अफेक्ट होता है and even people notice. The solution: invest in 2 to 3 versatile smart pairs that can take you through most occasions, like nude block heels that go with almost everything, classic black loafers for work or formal settings, and tan or beige mules that strike the perfect balance between casual and chic, and even ballet flats. And remember, people do notice your footwear. So ये थे मेरे top 5 time saving confidence boosting tips फॉर बिजी प्रोफेशनल्स. इनमें से आप क्या ऑलरेडी फॉलो करते हैं या क्या आपको लगता है कि आपको इमीडिएटली चेंज करना चाहिए? लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. इफ यू हैव एनी स्टाइलिंग क्वेरी, पुट देम ऑल्सो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स बिलो. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Upstyle with Shikha. I post weekly videos on style, confidence and simple shifts that can help you feel better inside out. Follow me on Instagram too for daily tips and inspiration at Upstyle with Shikha. I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay stylish and confident. Bye bye.